100% Reinke Certified. What that means to us is that every product we put in the field, every service that we provide to people is going to be the best that we can possibly make it. Our people on the floor, when they're getting something ready to ship, when they're welding something, when they're pushing some steel through a machine, they're doing it so that that part comes out exactly as it needs to be to work on that system. It extends to our dealerships and the relationships that we have with them. When we provide training for them for a new product, for their new service people, we do that with a sense of urgency, a sense of responsibility, that it's up to us to ensure that the dealer is going to be able to take care of that system once it's out in the field. Not only the systems that they sell, but the systems that have been out in the field for 20, 25, 30, 40 years. They need to be able to work on all those systems. Our dealers, they take that to heart as well, and they feel that sense of responsibility, and that's what makes something 100% Reinke certified. If something should happen to go wrong, the producer can be assured that we are going to be there to back up our warranty. We're going to do everything we can to make sure that he or she is up and running as soon as possible. That's the Reinke 100% certified.